Your success equals your imagination. Hello to all of my reprogrammed mindset listeners. This audiobook is designed to help you unlock the power of your imagination and harness it to achieve your goals and dreams. We'll also explore how your imagination shapes your reality, the steps to cultivate a vivid and positive imagination, and how to use this powerful tool to pave the way to your success. Let's embark on this journey to understand how your imagination can be the key to your ultimate success. Chapter 1. The Power of Imagination. Imagination is more than just daydreaming. It's a powerful cognitive tool that shapes your perceptions, fuels your creativity, and influences your actions. Albert Einstein once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge. For knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world." Your imagination allows you to envision possibilities beyond your current reality, making it a crucial component of success. By imagining your future success, you set the stage for making it a reality. Chapter 2. Visualizing Success. One of the most effective ways to harness the power of your imagination is through visualization. Visualization is the practice of creating vivid and detailed mental images of your desired outcomes. When you visualize your success, you activate the same neural pathways that are used when you actually experience those events. This strengthens your belief in achieving your goals and prepares your mind to recognize opportunities that align with your vision. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your success, feeling the emotions associated with achieving your dreams, and reinforcing your commitment to your goals. Chapter 3. Cultivating a Positive Imagination. A positive imagination is essential for creating a successful future. Negative thoughts and fears can cloud your imagination, leading to self-doubt and limiting beliefs. To cultivate a positive imagination, practice gratitude and focus on the positive aspects of your life. Surround yourself with positive influences, such as inspiring books, motivational speakers, and supportive people. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations and visualize the best possible outcomes. A positive imagination sets the foundation for a successful mindset. Chapter 4. Setting Clear Goals. Your imagination can help you set clear and compelling goals. Use your imagination to envision your ideal future and identify what success looks like for you. Break down your long-term vision into specific, achievable goals. Write them down and create a detailed action plan. Your imagination will help you see the path to your goals and keep you motivated along the way. Clear goals provide direction and purpose, turning your dreams into tangible objectives. Chapter 5. Taking Inspired Action. Imagination alone is not enough. It must be coupled with action. Inspired action is the bridge between your imagination and reality. Use your imagination to identify the steps needed to achieve your goals and take consistent action towards them. Stay open to new ideas and opportunities that align with your vision. Trust your intuition and let your imagination guide you in making decisions. Remember, every action, no matter how small, brings you closer to your success. Chapter 6. Overcoming Obstacles. Challenges and obstacles are inevitable on the path to success. Your imagination can be a powerful tool for overcoming these hurdles. When faced with a problem, use your imagination to brainstorm creative solutions and visualize yourself overcoming the challenge. This proactive approach will boost your confidence and resilience. Believe in your ability to navigate through difficulties and stay focused on your vision. Your imagination can turn obstacles into opportunities for growth and learning. Chapter 7. Embracing Your Unique Story. Your success is unique to you, and so is your imagination. Embrace your individuality and use your imagination to create a story that reflects your true self. Trust in your abilities and the power of your imagination to shape your destiny. Celebrate your successes, learn from your experiences, and continue to dream big. Your imagination is the key to unlocking your potential and achieving the success you desire. Conclusion. Thank you for listening to Your Success Equals Your Imagination. By understanding the power of your imagination, visualizing success, cultivating a positive mindset, setting clear goals, taking inspired action, overcoming obstacles, and embracing your unique story, you can harness your imagination to achieve your dreams. Remember, your imagination is the blueprint of your future success. Dream boldly, act with purpose, and let your imagination guide you to a life of fulfillment and achievement. The power to create your success lies within you. Be sure to take a moment to watch more of our forever growing audiobooks on topics such as resetting your mindset, manifestation, the law of abundance, law of attraction, law of vibration, building confidence, and more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And as always, have nothing short of a fantastic day.